Hello students, today I will explain question number 3 of exercise 8.1. So that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So in given a quadrilateral ABCD in which the diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at right angle, it means length of OA equal to length of OC. Similarly, length of OB equal to length of OD. Bisect means divide into two equal parts. So जो लेंथ है OB की और OC की ये इक्वल होंगे. यहाँ से इसकी लेंथ और यहाँ से OC की लेंथ इक्वल होगी. ऐसे ही सिमिलरली OB की और OD की लेंथ होगी इक्वल. एंड बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट राइट एंगल और एक दूसरे को जहां ये वैसे करते हैं वहां क्या बन रहा है 90 डिग्री बन रहा है. राइट एंगल मीन्स 90 डिग्री. टू प्रूव ABCD is rhombus. Now prove in triangle AOB and BOC. So AO equal to OC it is given and angle AOB equal to COB because both are 90 degree and BO equal to BO. This is common side. So by angle side angle triangle AOB congruent to triangle BOC. So by CPCT if triangles are congruent then corresponding parts are equal. So AB equal to BC. This is equation first. Similarly we will take here triangle BOC and COD. So by SAS congruence rule we can prove that both triangles are congruent. So if the triangles are congruent, so by CPCT this side BC equal to side CD and triangle COD congruent to triangle DOA. So here by CPCT side CD and DA will be equal. So from equation first, second, third, all sides are equal. So ABCD is rhombus. Now question number 4. So that the diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So it is given that if it is square, then the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So we had proved that AC equal to BD, it means diagonals are equal. OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD means diagonals bisect each other, and AC perpendicular to BD means bisect each other at right angle. By perpendicular means 90 degree banana. Now proof in triangle ABC and DCB. Here we will take two triangles ABC, this triangle, and DCB, this triangle. So here AB equal to CD. This line is equal to AB line is equal to CD by because sides of square की sides equal होती हैं. इसके angle ABC equal to angle DCB. ABC means this angle and DCB means this angle. Both are 90 degree. So in triangle angle ABC equal to angle DCB and BC is common. ये BC जो है दोनों ट्रायंगल पे आ रही है. So by SAS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DCB. Now in triangle AOB and COD, angle BAC equal to angle DCAY because AB is parallel to CD and AC intersect them, and these are alternate interior angle. So now see here BAC को हम C से ना लेके O तक भी ले सकते हैं. एंगल में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. कोई भी एंगल इतना लंबा है तो यदि यहाँ से नहीं लेना हमको इतना भी लेंगे तो चेंजेस नहीं होने वाला एंगल में, है ना. So here we can write BAO in place of BAC and here DCO in place of DCA. These are also alternate interior angle, and AB equal to CD, sides of square. Similarly, here also we can take ABD equal to angle CDB. These are also alternate interior angle. वही डी तक ना लेके हम अपन ओ तक लेंगे तो भी कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा, ऐसे इसको बी तक ना लेके ओ तक लेंगे तो भी कोई चेंजेस एंगल पे नहीं आएगा. So by angle side angle congruence rule, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. So if the triangles are congruent, so corresponding parts are equal. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. It means this is proved that diagonals bisect each other. Now we will prove diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. फिर 90 डिग्री प्रूव करते पे कट करते ये अपने प्रूव करना अब. So now in triangle AOB and BOC. So OA and OC, this is proved here in equation first, and BO is common line, and AB equal to BC because these are sides of square. So by triple S congruence rule, side congruence rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. So if the triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles are equal. So angle AOB equal to angle BOC. This is equation second. Now angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree because these are linear pair angles. So here AOB equal to A plus AOB. Why? Because AOB is equal to BOC. AOB जो है BOC की equal है, so अपन BAC को replace करके AOB लिख सकते हैं. So AOB and AOB, here two angle AOB will come here 180 degree. Now this two we will send to the right side. Then here 90 will come, 180 by 2, so 90 will come. So angle AOB equal to 90 degree, and in equation second angle AOB is equal to angle BOC. ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल हैं. So यदि AOB 90 है तो COB भी कितना होगा, 90 ही होगा. तो COB या कि BOC both are 90 degree, hence proved.